Hi everyone, this is Audrey, and today I will show you how to make this really cool spoon art for your kitchen. Stay tuned, don't forget to like and subscribe. First thing I'm going to do is upcycle this hideous painting that is already in the kitchen nook. It was there as a filler and now I can use it for something better. I'm going to give it 2 coats of white acrylic paint to cover up the hideous painting that is underneath. I used 2 packs of wooden sticks. I got them from Home Goods. Just ran over there and picked up the variety packs of wooden sticks. I also added a couple of old thick spoons. Make sure you give everything a good sanding. You do not want that top layer of film or whatever that is on top of the spoons. You don't want that blocking the color that you're about to put on the spoons when you stain. I'm using 2 different color stains here. You can use one and then continue to layer on, but I decided to use these 2 color stains. I will link them down below. I am taking 1 packet of wooden spoons and staining them one color brown, and then taking the other packet of spoons and staining them another color brown. I am being very conservative with the amount of stain I'm using. You can always add more stain. You cannot easily take stain off once you've decided on a color. So I'm being very careful at the beginning with the amount of stain I put on each spoon. Once I understand what the colors look like, I then started just layering on lots of stain. Second thing, if you are satisfied with a color, it takes 2 hours at least to dry and 24 hours for it to be permanent. So be prepared to wait for the stain to dry. Be prepared to work in numerous coats of stain for the darker colors to get a nice blackety black spoon. And for the light ones, be prepared to continue rubbing off stain. Adding stain and then using that same stain to rub the color off. It's going to take a while. It took me a few hours to get the colors I wanted on each spoon. This first section you see me trying to just get the color on and understand the colors, but the more I work with the colors, you're going to be staining for quite a while to get the colors you want, especially if you want them perfectly ombre'd. I kept wiping, staining, and then wiping off and staining and wiping off again until I got all of the spoons to look like a perfect ombre, light brown to black brown rainbow. It took hours. It was part of the project that I was most unprepared for because I thought I was just going to rub on stain and then just keep layering. And it took quite a long time to get a perfect ombre color. But I do have hopes if you're invested, put on Waiting to Exhale or something and just get to lacquering. It comes out very, very beautiful. In fact, I kind of like all of these spoons this color. I wish that more kitchen spoons were made in this dark ebony tone. I don't know, it would up my home decor game a lot. Hi! So it's the end of the day and my makeup's messed up and everything's good, but I just wanted to show you how far we've come from a day of staining. Let me show you real quick. Okay, this lighting is horrendous, but you will see perfect ombre. I mean, I really went to town on these spoons. Perfect. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I am taking decorative leather. Trying to find the packaging it came out of. I got it from Michael's, but I'm taking the leather and I am putting it in decorative spaces on the spoons. Okay, here I wanted to add a three-dimensional look to my art. So I am taking these little cubes, you can get them at Michael, these little wooden cubes, and I'm painting them white so that I could lift the spoons off of the board, and also so that they lay flat. And some of the spoons will not just hot glue or lay flat with regular glue onto the board. So using these little wooden cubes ensures that they lay flat onto the board that I painted white. I made sure I had 24, 2 per spoon. Okay, we're getting towards the end. Now all I have to do is organize the way I want my spoons to be arranged on the board. And I want them to be ombre in complete order on the board. Yeah. The one mistake I did make while doing this project was not waiting 24 hours for the stain to completely cure. Right now, as I do this, there is one of these spoons that's on its like last leg. It is about to fall off, and it's because I didn't wait for the stain to cure completely before hot gluing. So if you do this project, stain on one day, take a break, take a rest, and then hot glue a whole nother day. And that way it'll last forever, especially if you use the good hot wood glue that they use for cabinets. It'll stay forever. And there it is. I'm going to hang it back exactly where it was. I am redoing my kitchen nook, but it'll work there for now. Hi, thank you so much for watching. If you have any suggestions on how to make this fabulous, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Audrey, and thank you so much for watching Audrey Inspired Living.